Prolific focuses on academic research studies instead of traditional survey offers, which makes it different from many paid survey platforms that rely on general consumer questionnaires. By the end, you'll know how Prolific works, why researchers use it, and what to consider before deciding if it is worth your time in 2026. Prolific connects participants with researchers who need people to complete online studies. The platform is commonly used for academic research, psychology studies, market research, and other projects that require human responses. The biggest difference between Prolific and many survey sites is the type of work available. Instead of answering random advertisements or product surveys, participants usually complete studies designed around specific research questions. Getting started begins with creating a participant account and completing your profile. Your profile information helps Prolific match you with studies that fit the requirements set by researchers. Some studies may have specific eligibility requirements based on factors such as demographics, experiences, or background information. The number of studies available can change depending on your profile and current researcher demand. This means one person may see many opportunities while another person may see fewer available studies. When a study appears, you can review the details before deciding whether to participate. The information provided usually explains what the study involves, how much time it may take, and the reward offered. This allows you to decide which studies fit your schedule. Prolific is designed around research participation, so it works differently from a traditional job. You are not guaranteed a fixed number of studies every day, and the amount of available work depends on researchers using the platform. The best way to evaluate Prolific is to look at how it fits your goals. If you want flexible online tasks that involve helping with research, Prolific may be worth trying. If you are looking for predictable income or guaranteed hours, a paid study platform may not meet those expectations. Before spending time on any survey platform, read the requirements, complete your profile accurately, and check the available studies to see if they match your interests. The main points are simple. Prolific focuses on research studies, your profile affects the opportunities you receive, and the platform is built for flexible participation rather than guaranteed work. Your next step is to create a participant profile, review available studies, and decide whether the opportunities are worth your time. If this helped you understand whether Prolific is the best paid survey site in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online earning reviews.